Hey guys, we're the most famous
siblings on YouTube.
and today we're making
Slime out of soap. Spoofy.
and also we're having a DIY how soap cannot stick to your hands when it's made in slime. Let's watch. So here are the ingredients you're going to need.
You're gonna need some soap and
Something to mix in, and let's get something to mix with while he's getting the salt.
actually, you don't need salt if you don't want to put salt in.
We need salt.
Nope.
Go get salt.
No.
Just blue. Let's just
No, you
do it
don't
blue.
need salt actually.
I'm going to get the salt. Come in here into my room.
There's the salt.
There's that pesky salt you keep losing. It's gonna come up in the videos now.
The salt.
So guys,
There was a lot of other ingredients in.
well, you guys, all we need to do is pour shampoo into a mixing tray,
A lot of it.
and then put some coloring in. We're making only yellow slime today,
And a little blue.
and a little blue. And also, you're just gonna need salt. Shout out to Naja's Way for showing us how to make this kind of slime.
Nope. I figured it out myself.
So now you can put the salt inside.
Hold on, let's see what it does first. Okay?
I think this one is green.
Yep.
We should leave it at that color right there. The last slime that we made, it kind of got like a little bit watery because I put sugar inside it. I'll put this slime in.
You could touch?
No, I don't want to touch it until there's salt inside.
Okay.
Oh.
Hold the knife. Hold the knife.
You okay? Oh, it's on the table. It's on there. It kind of looks like frosting. Can we frost a donut with this and eat it?
No. Very poisonous.
Right. No children eat these at home. That's enough salt.
Nope. You need a lot of it because there was a whole bunch of salt.
So guys, now we mix. I'm gonna mix. You record me. I'm now mixing because my brother's behind. You can show my face if you want to.
Okay. Now let's do the touch test.
Let's do the touch test.
Ah,
Give me the
touch
video.
it. You
Give
touch.
me the phone. Here, take the knife. Now we just gotta put it into the freezer. Look at that color. Oh,
Yeah.
you guys don't want to kiss that probably. So let's put it into let's put it into here. Open the thing for me.
I don't know how I did it first.
Okay. Alex, why do you keep putting the baking soda in here? That's not where it goes.
That's baby powder.
Baking soda. Baking powder is the same freaking thing. Okay guys, make sure that you set your timer to 5 minutes. Before you ever start a timer, make sure there's nothing in the microwave. Oh my god, Alex, stop putting the stuff in the microwave. God.
Look at me. Now look at me.
Siblings. So 5. So it's been 0. 0. Oh, pretty.
Now you walk away.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No, Alex, not here. I'm gonna put it 4 minutes now. Stop trolling. Stop it. What do you do if the slime fails?
Shove it in my sister's face, in my sister's mouth.
But Alex, I'm your best friend, though.
I guess I'm not.
Okay, guys, we were just about to make a joke, but basically he just sneezed all over my jacket. Thanks for getting me sick. Stop it. Stop
Okay,
it.
now put your.
Why is there soap? Stop putting soap on the couch. That's not where it goes. Alex,
Okay.
here, eat this. That's what you're supposed to eat.
Okay, put that up close. Put it up close.
No, what are you doing? stop. It smells like popcorn all of a sudden. Oh, we have a candy machine. Oh, not a candy machine.
A cotton candy.
Let's check our slime. Oh my god, there's like, it's gonna like permanently, it's like already like my slime. Let's close it. Say goodbye. No, put you guys into the freezer when it gets down to the final countdown, guys. Like at 10 seconds, I'm gonna put you guys in there at 10 seconds. So, what do you want to do while we're waiting for 2 more minutes?
Watch it,
Okay. You said watch it.
Oh!
Oh dear, we should just clean this up. Nah. Actually, yeah, we should clean this up because we're at my dad's house. What are these? This one. Oh my goodness, I'm lying to our dad. I just realized there's something on my head. You guys want to know what's wrong with my nose? I had sunburn recently. See how my nose hurts, and now it's red. Almost time for the final countdown.
Do not smell that over there. It's toxic.
What?
Somebody's toy.
Oh, it smells good actually. This actually smells really good. I like how it smells. You'll eat it.
I had to
It's
dispose
called
of it.
Midnight Meadow. So it's a sibling hug thing. Yeah. Wait, I'm just thinking. 18, 17, 16. Alright guys, at 10. I'm gonna
Wait, Erica, what did Dad see this video?
Okay guys, I'm gonna put you guys in. Okay guys, this is the final goodbye for about 10 seconds from the sibling huggers. Bye. Oh my god. He broke the microwave.
He's like, Erica, go fit the socket. Go fit the socket.
You do it.
I don't know how to.
Let's take the slime out. Baby. Is there air coming out of there?
Is it supposed to?
Yeah. Oh my god, we broke it. That's actually a pretty good title. Here's the circuit. What are the circuits for though?
Socket breaker. Find the socket breaker.
Oh dear. And it worked, guys.
I don't know how to turn the socket breaker. Can we down?
It like turned off and I put you guys in here.